Hi my dear children, very good morning to all. So the last class we were discussing about our third chapter, conquering distances. We were saying about railways, airways, waterways. We were discussing about our chapter 3. So today we are moving with our fourth chapter, chapter 4, communication. Chapter 4, communication. So my dear children, can you say through what all methods we will convey messages? Can you say through telephone, then mobile phone, is it? Then video chatting, is it? Letters. These are the main methods how we are conveying messages. So my dear children, today we are moving with the invention of so many things. Invention of so many things. First we will deal with the invention of telegraph. Before moving with the invention of telegraph, I want to ask one thing to my dear children. What is the difference between human being and animals? Yes, human being means they can think. They have the ability to think and communicate with others. Whereas in the case of animals, they have no thinking ability. And they will communicate, but by their own methods only they will communicate. So in order to communicate with others, first we invented telegraph. What is it? Telegraph. Invention of telegraph in 1814. Invention of telegraph in 1814 by whom? 1840 by Samuel Morse. Morses. Invention of telegraph in 1840 by Samuel Morse. Okay. Next we are moving with the next point, that is telephone. Do you know telephone? Before the mobile phone, arrival of mobile phone and all, in our home we have land phone. Is it? Some phone with ID and all. Otherwise normal phone. Is it? Invention of telephone. So, who invented telephone? Yes, Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone. In which year? 1896. My dear children, you have to study the year and also the name, because for the fill in the blanks, otherwise in the case of name, the following these questions can be asked. So be very careful. The invention of telephone. Who invented telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. In which year? 1896. So can I ask one another question? Who invented telegraph? Not telephone, telegraph. The invention of telegraph by Samuel Morse. Samuel Morse in the year 1840. 1840. The invention of telephone 1896 by Alexander Graham Bell. Okay, and what all things we can say about telephone? Telephone is the quickest instrument, and two people can communicate together from different places or different countries. Sometimes they are sitting in different places or different countries, but they on a sudden in a time they can communicate each other. So this telephone is the quickest instrument. Two people can talk together. Yes or no? Next point we have to say about mass communication. Mass communication, that is, beside phone messages, can be conveyed within seconds. Beside phone, we can convey messages within seconds. And also, this communication is known as mass communication. This communication is known as mass communication. So the next point we are going to deal with the printed word. Printed word means invention of newspapers, magazines, articles, These all things will come under the printed world. After the invention of, after this newspaper, magazines and all, people started reading different things, and people started getting different knowledges through this printed world, that is by newspapers, articles, advertisement, etc. And my dear children, before winding this class, once again go through the point. We were discussing about chapter 4, communication, and invention of telegraph in 1840 by Samuel Morse, invention of telephone in 1896 by Graham Bell, Alexander Graham Bell. Then the quickest instrument, phone is the quickest instrument that can talk. People too can talk. Then we were discussing about the mass communication, and lastly we were discussing about the printed world, that is about newspapers, articles, magazines, reports, etc. So my dear children, go through all these points and the notes will be given later. Thank you.